I got something really cool that I want to show you guys. It is so freaking cool. So guys, we just got back from shopping and it's hot. Can you tell? The grease on this face, it's bad out there. It's hot as hell. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of the stuff that I got. So I got some veggies. Got some salmon because I said we need to start eating better. Brought a little roast tenderloin that I want to try. I've never done one, so I'm going to try one. Got some of those. Of course, you know, goya beans because, you know, that's what we live off of. Some garlic powder. It's supposed to be really good to cook. I try to use like whole garlic and crush it up. Or the one that's already crushed up because it tends to be really good. Some salad dressing. Some croutons. Look at that. Guys, these things smell amazing in the laundry. Like, oh my gosh, I love it. And of course, you know, Dawn dishwashing liquid. Eggs. I got some chicken. Got some pork. Pork rib, boneless pork ribs. Some pork chops, some more veggies. I'll try that, the cauliflower. My water. Water is the shiznit. Harley's food. Thai Downy. Some water. Of course, OJ. Simba's food, because, you know, got Harley's food. And lastly, guys, how cool is that? It's freaking awesome. Like, you can do pod, you can do carafe, or you can use the reusable pods. Like, it's freaking amazing. I can't wait to use it. And let me say that the reason why, because I have this one. I have the one that's a pot and a K-cup as well, from Keurig. But I mean, it's about 3 years old and it looks like it's about to go down. Every other time I use it, it seems to be doing some weird stuff and it'll stop working and then I have to shut it down and reset it. And so before it goes dead at 6 in the morning and I can't have a cup of coffee, guess what? I decided I was going to get a new one, and I got one, and I can't wait to use it. But anyway, guys, that's the end of this haul. Let me just say that food is expensive. Groceries, and this is not a lot of stuff. We spent almost $300 on what I just showed you. Like, and that's without the coffee maker, because the coffee maker was separate. It was a few dollars, literally a couple of dollars short of $300. But neither here nor there, needed to get done, so we did it. And somebody has joined us.
You know, this whole time I thought you was on the phone with Tori in the bathroom. I was like, oh, when I heard you say that's the end of this haul, I'm like, oh, she just took over the vlog by herself and was like, I got this done.
Hey guys, I thought you needed me. By the way, guys, you see that cup? That's a badass cup right there, isn't it? I bought it from somebody, one of my crafter friends. It's beautiful. I love it. I'm afraid to use it. As you can see, you see where it's sitting, right?
Anyway, so I guess you're all done.
Yeah, I did it.
You didn't need me. All right, well.
What I need you for? I know how to vlog.
with this attitude? Oh my, y'all see the stuff I have to deal with on a regular?
This coming from the person that has on a shirt that says, but we're forced together.
I mean, we are forced together. But that don't mean she don't get on my...
Because he gets on mine. So, I mean, what the hell?
Be the change that you want to see in the world.
Until next time. We ask. Bye, Mom.